So here's the question I get asked all the time with GPB Dominator. What do we replace the business site URL with? We know Google has removed business sites, so what do? And here is the perfect solution, which is going to increase your Google business profiles even more. So we go to LinkTree, click on the sign up for free, sign in with a Google account. I would recommend signing in with the same Google account that you are using with your project in Dominator. Give permission, yes. This is where your niche name goes, or your keyword phrase. I'll use a long-tailed one, which makes it more highly likely to be available. I'll just do this for now, and then continue. Business, continue. This is how fast and simple it is. Click on there, join for free, so you get a free account. Thanks for signing up. I just select that one. Now here you can put up to 5 links. And why is that important? That's important because when you go over here and do the DR, these are DR93 accounts. Very, very cool. So you continue back here. Now, obviously you would put the money site of the project you are promoting, but if you've got other entities with links going to that money site, drop them in here and get a lot of link love. Then, once you've created your LinkTree account, it will look just like this, and that is what you put in Dominator. You put the link there, and once the project is completed, it looks exactly like this. This is a test site we've done, and it is embedded perfectly on here, on the Google site, which itself has a DR of 93. So we've got a DR93 page embedding a DR92, which has got all these links. This is really, really powerful stuff. As you know, I don't really need to explain it. And as you guys know, I made a SEO auditor, audits your site and content based on the leaked Google Docs. This is for free. I will drop the link to this in the first comment below this video. And so I just put the link in there. This is amazing stuff. These are no follow links, but these LinkTree links rank in and of themselves, which is why it's important to put your long-tailed keyword phrase as the username. And then I just dump it in Index Me Now to get them indexed, just to ensure that it's going to get indexed. And we're all done. You're going to be very, very happy with that. Embedded on a Google site as a part of your project. Heaps of link juice, which is going to rank your Google business profile and your money site a lot higher in Google. And then you can check it out here, and you can run your money site through here as well to see if there's any ways you can improve it. A quick tip with this, I've just updated this GPT and enabled code interpreter, which means now you can print reports as PDF. So you'd say, now print this as a PDF report from Peter Drew to customer name, and it will do that for you. And there it is. You download your PDF report and you can email that out to whoever you like, or keep it for your records. Okay, that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.
Review of this awesome tool. Peter Drew GVD Dominator, it's really cool. It requires a Google account with YouTube in hand. A few minutes to set up, it's easy and grand. 40 minutes to run, it's making sites rise, move the needle before you